Hello, fellow traders. So, Monday, I open up my charts. You see this move. Would you close? If you see it, um, well, I didn't, because time didn't meet price. I got in here, so I was still in the money. By mistake, in the morning in the evening, I was checking, the future, but I noticed there's a Russian futures too. So I did notify my private subscribers because they're very worried and again, that's why don't follow my advice to the T. You do your own research. But look, it bounced back 24% almost. What's happening today in the morning? Boom, 24%. Always trade time and price, and do your own research. This thing is gonna pop up pretty quick if we go above 30. I mean $3. And I'm gonna explain in the private channel how I see the big moves coming up. So don't listen to me. It's very emotional when you wake up in the morning and you see 15, 16, 20% down on the trade. Always do your own thing, and when time meets price, like yesterday, one of my private subscribers was very worried, and I said, just wait a bit, wait until the close. There's no need to panic because that's how it, at least in commodities, it's very volatile. Even oil went all the way down, but we didn't close a bunch of reversals. So indicators still are short, but this might bounce. So again, stay calm. Don't be emotional. Don't invest too much that you cannot sustain. And be prepared to lose. Be prepared to lose. This is a first thing you need to know when you can quit the trade. Like Martin says, do not marry a trade. There is always one around the corner. Good luck and stay tuned.